Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete responses in Google Forms. This is a quick and easy process. All you have to do is follow these instructions. If you want to delete responses in Google Forms, go to the Responses tab. Here you can see the responses and the questions. You can view each question and the individual responses. The individual tab allows you to delete responses one by one. Let's say you want to delete this answer. Just click on it. After you click on it, click on Yes again. Now we have two responses left. If you want to delete them both, go to the Summary tab, then click Delete All Responses. After that, click OK. Now your responses have been deleted permanently. If we go back to the three-dot menu at the top, we can't find the Delete All Responses button. That's how you delete responses in Google Forms. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching, and